Okay, we're recording. Let's see here. This is a new camera. I'm trying it out. Let's see. I used to use my phone, but being now I can actually reach up under here and look. We got a little Logitech. It's a little shaky right now. It'll work. I'm gonna have to figure out. I don't know if it's gonna catch my voice or not, but we'll see. But this is what I'm using. It's kind of tied off here at the top, just above my desk. This will be my workstation right here where this computer sits. I'll just move this back, put my cutting board down, and work on models or whatever. So that I got, it was, I don't remember the price, but I didn't pay the price what it was at Walmart. I went online and found it online and told them, hey, look, match this, even though it was Walmart.com. It had it for a few dollars cheaper. I was able to get it. So we'll do with that. You'll see my spray booth later on when I start airbrushing, for those that haven't seen the pictures on Facebook. But getting to the models, 1 year, I've been waiting since this kit was issued, trying to find it at the local Hobby Lobby, since that's about the only place I can around here without going to Gibsonville. Whoa, box fell. I was waiting for months and months and months, and they finally just got one. Just one of them in. So y'all saw my post on Facebook how I was going to snag it when I go home. I had to hide it. I hid it in behind a bunch of other models so nobody else snagged it. It's still sealed, as you can tell. The Hobby Lobby sticker is $29.99. That's not what I paid. I got the 40% off, which came out to like $19 and some change. So it does have the vending machine and stuff in it. It's what I keep seeing all over the place. So once I open this up, I'll verify that's there, even though it says it right there on the side. It's kind of hard to see with the screen. I'm going to have to push this computer back to do this to know. But that's the new kit for my bench. We'll get to some other kits. I'm hoping they have the Pete 352 cab over truck pacemaker. I'm going to get a couple of them just for fun. I build truck kits mainly. Then there's that Coke trailer kit. I'm going to get a couple of them. At least try to find another one of these. This one looks kind of a cool kit. So I've been watching videos, people building these and swapping stuff out and making hot rods out of it because it can be done. I've seen where a guy took, apparently I didn't know this, the Revell 55 Chevy, was it the AMT 55? One of those two, the side trim for the Bel Air, the 55 Bel Air, was molded separate and you had to attach it to the body. They were able to take it and graft it onto the side of the bed. Make a cool little truck out of it. So I'll get to building this eventually. It's going to be a while. I want to try to get some of these other projects finished first. Try to find the down bars that I had for that General Pete kit of mine and stuff. So we'll see. It's going on 4 minutes, so I'll just leave it short, simple, and sweet. 73's on out of here.